To my channel. Today I will be showing you some of the basic capabilities of styles and of the fonts, like the settings with the fonts and styles. Okay. Before starting any documentation, what normally people have and draft. So this is in draft, and I have not done anything as far as headings and font styles and anything is concerned. And now I will show you how you can do it very smartly and very productively. So these are basically a heading in your documentation. So the headings should be always been formatted with the help of style of heading 1, if these are your main headings. So that is what I will do it. Now you see there comes the blue color and it's a default font. So using this, you have many advantages which I can show you in few minutes. Bear with me. And by this, what you can do is, like, suppose you, I think this is pretty good, but I would just want to change the font to Times New Roman. So what you can do is go here and go in Times New Roman, and instead of going in individual heading, that's on the productive way, just go here and update heading to match selection. This is the most easiest way in which you can do. Now you want to change this the font size of this as well as the font. So let's select one of these texts, and this is from normal style. So go in Times New Roman, and let's take 16. No, let's take 14. 14 will be good, and we will update normal to selection. So this is one way to do it, and the other way is to do it from the modification. If you go here, but I wouldn't prefer this, because when you do here, then the first priority is given from the setting which you do from the update to normal selection. So I wouldn't prefer this, but still, if you want to change, suppose if you want to change the justification and you put it okay, it will do it for you. But if you have some original settings, and it will mess up around, but I would prefer to do it from here and again to go and update normal to match selection. So you can see the document is formatted very neatly. And now you wanna now if you see here in the navigation panel, the links will be created for the chapters. So for opening navigation, you can go in view, and over here there is the navigation on, off and on. And this I will pretty much keep on for almost any documentation, because this will help me to navigate. Okay, now using the headings, using the styles, yeah, you can have many number of subheadings. There are like, when you go from heading 2, if you're not able to see 3, it will be created when you just press enter and paste press the tab bar. So it will create automatic. It's not a problem there. And yeah, this will ease your task, and it will save your time. But one more thing, if suppose, like, when I was writing my thesis, I have to move these chapters all around. So you can also do it like here, swapping it, and it will be changed with the context as well, which is very good. And you can do it like, you can make the subsection of the chapters directly, and it will be taking as a heading 2, and heading 3 pops up, as I told you. And you can also promote it again, make it as a chapter. Okay, and in the coming videos I'll be showing the much more capabilities of style and its settings. So hope to see you in the next video. Bye.